Hey there guys, my name is Marcus. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can install your WordPress for your domain on Hostinger. So let's say I'm going to have a domain here, marcusaffiliate.com, and I want to install WordPress on it. So how to do it? When you're going to come here on websites, you want to click here, create or migrate a website. Click on that. Now, what is your website type? This is you want to skip. So in the moment when you would enter that you want to use a Hostinger AI, a builder, whatever, you need to delete complete everything and start again. So if you choose the Hostinger builder, go back and delete the site and do the same process again. So now I'm just going to click here, skip. I don't want personalized experience. And I'm going to click here, create a new website. Select. Here, you don't want to choose the Hostinger builder with AI. You want to click here WordPress, select. Now you're gonna have the language, you're gonna have the password that you have to add, and then you're gonna press continue. Here, add the plugins to your website. So here you're gonna choose like the plugins that you want to have. Let's say WooCommerce, Google Site, okay, WordPress forms, all-in-one SEO. So you would choose that or what you want. So I'm just, let's say, remove everything, then press continue. And if you want to have, you can just choose like the looks here, the templates. But let's say I don't want any of these, so skip, I don't want template. And then you're gonna choose a domain. And as you can see, you can choose the domain right here that we want, or you can choose the existing domain if you want to switch it from somewhere. So from the GoDaddy, and you're gonna choose it like the HostGator or GoDaddy, Namecheap, whatever. Okay, select. And right here, it's going to set up for you right now. So we just have to wait until it's going to load. Okay, and now go to Hostinger control panel. And when you're going to be here, you're going to have the WordPress overview. And what you can do is go on the right side and edit website. Definitely check out the backups. And you can generate new backups for the WordPress. That's like really important. But yeah, this is how you're going to connect your a WordPress site. Now, of course, I had a mistake. Like I had like problem here. This is a preview of website by customer of Hostinger. What do you need to do? I had even issues here. If you're gonna see that, definitely just contact the Hostinger support. They will just set it up for you. But this is how you're gonna install. If I could just like provide the history of the issues here. If you're gonna see that, write down below in the comments, guys. It's like this is the preview of a website by a customer of Hostinger. If you can't access the WordPress admin, I can access it, so everything's fine. So if you can access it, let me down below in the comments. So then you need to write to support, and I think you need to delete or add something, and then you're gonna be fine. So thank you very much, guys, for watching, and hope you're gonna have a great day, and goodbye.